Hey guys, welcome back to Travel and Fun. And this time we are here with a super review of a very good series that we watched recently. Not recently, just now we finished watching it, and I'm here to tell you the review just right off the basket because we read many reviews before watching the series. We read many reviews about the series that it's kind of like illogical and all those stuff, negative reviews. But then again, we went ahead and we showed the courage to watch this series. Yes, because the first season of this series was super amazing with R. Madhavan in it. You guessed it right, I'm talking about Breathe Season 2. Yes, Breathe Season 1 was very good. We allowed it amazing, it was amazing. Now the Season 2 is also equally gripping because the season was, from the starting itself, it kept us on the couch, literally we couldn't move out anywhere. So all the series is a bit long. It's like it has 12 episodes, each of around 45 to 50 minutes. But yes, it's very gripping and you won't get bored at any point of time. Sometimes you might feel that it's a bit kind of out of the logic, but yes, still it keeps you stacked to your couch. So yes, talking about how the series was, it was very good, very interesting. It's kind of a thriller, and normally we have been seeing, watching such kind of movies in the recent times. It's all about this psycho thrillers. So and mostly into child kidnappings that we are watching. So we watched many movies recently regarding this. So this was not something very new to us, this thing, but yes, a different twist to it because but I don't think this should come under the title Breathe, because the first season was very good. It exactly showed what the title was for, because that child had that breathing problem, but here, yes, I don't know if it matches the title Breathe, but still a very good suspense thriller. The characters have played a wonderful role. Abhishek Bachchan doing a very good role, and also Nithya Menon and Amit Sal. So the cop has remained the same from season 1. So season 1 and season 2 has the same cop, it's Amit Sal. And R. Madhavan is no more in this season, it's Abhishek Bachchan. But all the characters have played a wonderful role. There's no negative point in, I didn't find any negative point in any of the characters and their acting. So it was super amazing. And as I told you, it's lengthy and it has 12 episodes, all of them. And every episode is around 45 to 50 minutes. So if you calculate it around, it should take you around 12 to 14 hours, if you watch it at one go. So we basically watched it in 2 times. So we watched 5 episodes first, and then the remaining 7 we watched it today. So yes, now let me not tell you the rest of the series, but those who don't want a spoiler to the series and those who don't want to know what exactly the series is through, as I already gave you a hint that it's something about this psycho killing and kidnapping, child kidnapping. That's only a clue. But yes, the rest of the story is very interesting, so I don't want to spoil. So those who don't want a spoiler, you can end watching the video right here, because after this I would be telling something that is very interesting and something that everyone has a question about after watching this series, because the last episode of this series has this mystery question revolving around it. Okay. So guys, the most probable answer to what is, I think this is the most searched term, phrase or question in Google and YouTube now. What is the C16 at the end of Breathe Season 2? I mean, at the end of this season, in the last episode, in the climax, Mr. J, who is the split personality of Avinash, so he hands over this chick with C16 written on it to Shirley, which is Jay's lover. So finally the Shirley has come into, she's getting into love with Jay. So what exactly is the C16? So I basically have like 3 assumptions for C16. So one should be that could be this is some clue to the next victim Jay has to go on to, because I think he just attacked 4 of them, right? So there are 6 more to go, because like he has already said that Ravan has 10 heads, so all those 10 qualities have to be finished. So 4 he finished already. So now there are 6 more, which should obviously come in season 3. That is what they have ended up the season 2 with. So I think the C16 should be some clue to where or what exactly the next victim is. The second assumption is that I think I'm not sure, but this is just an assumption that Shirley was in a fight with a greedy person, in a hotel room when Avinash's wife spots them fighting when she was walking along the doorway. So maybe the room number of that room is C16, but this is just a wild guess. So maybe we'll come to know what that is in the next season. And well, yeah, the third assumption is the most usual one. I think that C16 could be the ward number of the mental asylum in which Jay is kept in. So maybe they can chalk out plans together. Shirley and Jay can chalk out plans together for that, so that he can get out of there and continue on their mission. So these are the 3 assumptions that I have to what this C16 is. So nothing of them is completely that it's true. It could be either of them or neither of them. So basically they're all wild guesses. So guys, what I have to say about the series is it's good. Surely a one-time watch, because I don't think so anyone will watch it twice, because it's too long. And it's nail gripping, and yes, go ahead and watch it for a suspense thriller. I would say the series is rated 16 plus, so yes, it is. It doesn't have any adult content in it for sure, but yes, it is rated 16 plus. So yes, I would rate this series 4 out of 5. The scarcity of this 1 point could be a little bit to the tangy storyline behind the series, but yes, still it's a good watch. Go ahead and watch this series with your friends and family and have a nice time. I think you will enjoy it for sure, as I did. So that's for about the review and the mysterious question, what is C16 at the end of Breathe season 2. I hope you guys like this review, and we'll be soon back with another travel videos and much more fun in travel and fun. So until our next video, it's bye from me.